Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Stead. I am Rhonda, loving saying things for a long time. Super glad that you're here. Hoping you're having the greatest day or the day of your choice. This month is December, and I have the Allure Beauty Box. What's in here? What's in here? I don't know. Let's find out. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. I love having you guys here. It makes it so much more fun to have you here. And this is what it looks like on the inside. There's a beautiful lady on the pamphlet. And there's something here. There's a GQ 2022 limited edition fragrance box that you can get. Or the 2022 limited edition fragrance box from Allure. Ooh, that sounds like a good idea. It's $193 value for 50 bucks. I collect perfume. I'm going to hold on to that card. That sounds like a great idea. Let's unwrap. And this is what it looks like. And our little magic pamphlet here that tells us about everything that we have. Oh man. I hope we got some full-size stuff because we definitely got some samples. Some small samples. This starts it off, Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And I've used this primer before and I like it. And this is like an okay sample size. You can get several faces out of this. But when it comes in a little blister pack like this, it does not make you feel excited. And it says, 1 squirt applied over the last step of your skincare routine. Sunscreen right, absorbs quickly. Wait 1 minute before applying your makeup. And normally a full size is $36 for 1.52 ounces. And that is, let's call that $3 worth. I just make up the sample value because, you know, I like to try to figure out the value of the box. This is a $24 box, and then we've got some nails from Static Nails, reusable pop-on manicure and curved French round. While you love it, in one 15-minute application, you get that fresh from the nail salon look with press-ons that have won Allure's Best of Beauty. This design is a nod to French manicures that features an asymmetrical flick of white on the tip of each nail. So you put some glue on there on your nail and you press it on for at least 30 seconds. They come off easily with acetone, and just like that, they're ready to be used again. $22. These are really nice looking. That's really nice. And when I want to give my nails a break, from getting my nails done, that'll be a nice alternative. Those are really beautiful, but they look kind of small, and I have big man hands, so it may not work out. Next up in the box, we have by Rosie Jane Rosie Perfume Oil. I love perfumes. Perfumes are my jam. And this is by Rosie Jane Perfume Oil. While you love it, trendy niche fragrance house out of California just reimagined rose perfume. Ooh, a lot of people ain't gonna like this. And their take on the flower smells are more like naked skin, subtly warm and sexy, yet light and transparent like a garden. Here, roses mixed with musk, which is a buzzy ingredient in perfume right now. It's cozy, warm quality. The delicate blend is delivered as perfume oil with just 5 ingredients, including a sweet, warm coconut oil base. So it says, rub your roller ball here on your pulse points. And that's like a myth. Like, pulse points aren't really the jam anymore. that's really a nice size bottle. And this is full size and it's $45. And I'm going to try it out. So I'm going to wear it. I'll put it on a pulse point, even though I've read that it doesn't matter. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, that's so nice. I like that. All right. Getting groovy. Got some full-size nails. Got a full-size perfume oil. Very nice. Next, we've got a cheesy sample. Oh, we got 2 samples there. Ooh, but I'm excited about that. This is from Badescu, and if you can see, it's just a tiny little vial. And it is skincare vitamin C serum. Let's see how to open this. Oh, it's so small. Look how tiny it is. It's like for Barbie. Barbie could use this for a year. Look how small it is. It's so small. And Badescu, like, was all buzzwordy a few years ago about their, like, face sprays. But once people did research, they found out it was not really that great. But this vitamin C serum is, you can feel good about it. It's got all kinds of stuff in it. And it gives it an overall glow. And it looks great under the rest of your routine. And you squirt 3 to 4 drops in the palm of your hands and press the serum over your face. And $45 for an ounce. So I'm going to call this $5. All right. It's so much fun here at Allure. Finally, I could turn the page. All right, I'm very excited about this. You're like, it's just a blue tube, Rhonda. What's the biggie? Well, it's Dr. Pawpaw Overnight Lip Mask. Dr. Pawpaw is awesome. And if you don't know what a pawpaw is, it is a fruit that is in the southern parts of America. And especially southeast. And this is an ultimate lip treatment for natural oils and waxes, including sunflower seed and wax from the candelia plant. And it will really soften your lips. And a full size is 0.8 ounces for $10.50. So I'm going to call this $1. But this is a nice sample size. But I'm excited because Dr. Pawpaw stuff is really nice. You can find it at TJ Maxx a whole lot. But that doesn't mean it's a bad thing. Ooh, it looks like we've got a full size, so 3 full size items today. A chlorine shampoo, dry shampoo with nettle oil, oil control, oily dark hair. So I don't have oily dark hair, but this is going to be good for people with oily dark hair. And this is one of the great dry shampoos, must-haves. It makes roots feel clean, never stiff or gunked up. It doesn't weigh down fine hair, and it's totally invisible, even in dark hair. Oh, I guess you can use it even if you don't have dark hair. And a lot of people use it daily to stretch a blowout all the way through the work week. Shake the can, spray your roots. Let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then give your roots a shake with your fingers, and then brush them easily to get the excess powder out. 20 bucks. So this $24 box has a $96 value. And what all did we get? Oh, there's one more thing. And this is just like a little first aid ointment blister pack. Little foil pack. Did it have anything about it? No, it's just a bonus. I'm not going to count that as a value. But this is a full-size dry shampoo. We got a great, very lovely perfume oil. We got Dr. Pawpaw's lip treatment. We got some nails. We got a serum. And we got a primer. So, for 24 bucks, not too shabby to get 3 full-size items. Hell yeah. $96 value. Hell yeah. Way to go, Allure. That's all I have for this box. I've got a bunch of stuff coming up for you guys really soon. I hope you have a great day or day of choice, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.